Welcome to Siksha Maths Academy. Next is the continuation of Maths 1A properties of triangles. In this third sum, see here it's also very important. Here R1, R2, R3 are given. Then find the ABC values. R value is not there here. So first you have to find the R value. So how can you find the R value? What is the formula? See here. Solution. For R value, now I am taking the formula 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Okay, first you have to take the formula 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So that is equal to 1 by R is equal to. So what is the R1 value? 1 by 8 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 24. Okay, now take the LCM. LCM is 24. 8 table 24 3 times and 12 table 24 2 times, in 24 1 time, so 1. So 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6. So 6 by 24, 6 ones are 6 fours are. So 1 by R is equal to 1 by 4, then R is equal to 4. So you get R value. Now you have to find the S value. Using this formula, R is equal to delta by S. Delta by S. Delta by S. S కూడా మనకి S లేదు కదా, సో కాబట్టి డెల్టా ఫార్ములా తీసుకుందాం. డెల్టా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ R ఇంటూ R1 ఇంటూ R2 ఇంటూ R3. ఓకే, I'll go for previous. So delta is equal to square root of, what is the R value? R value is 4 and R1 value is 8, R2 is 12 and R3 is equal to 24. Okay, then the substitution 4 into 8 into 12 into 24. Okay, so 4 into 8 into 12, write as it is, but 24 only 24, you can split 24. How can you write? 12 twos are 24. Okay, that is equal to, see here, 12 square into 8 twos are 8 twos are 16, 4 twos are 8 తీసుకుందాం. Okay, this 8 I am writing here, 4 twos are 8, I am writing here 8. That is equal to 12 square into 8 square. So square root gets cancelled. So remaining value is 12 into 8. That is equal to 96. This is delta value. Now go for first formulas. Here, so R is equal to delta by S. Now we want S value. So S value is delta. R value is 4. We'll get R is equal to 4 and delta value is 96. We want S value. So 4S is equal to 96. So 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. Again 1 is here. 4 fours are 60. 4 twos are 8. So S is equal to 24. We'll get S value also. So S వచ్చేసింది మనకి delta value is 96 and S value is 24 and R value is 4. So now go for first formulas. R1 is equal to delta by S minus A. So what is the R1 value? R1 value is 12, delta value is 96, and S value is 24 minus A. Now you have to find the A value. Okay, so take the cross multiply. R1 value is 8. So 24 minus A is equal to 96. Now 8 into 24 minus A is equal to 96. Take the cancellation. 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. Here 1 is there. 8 twos are 16. So 24 minus A is equal to 12. Plus 12. Send this side. Minus 12 minus A. Send that side. 24 minus 12 is equal to A. So 24 minus 12, 12. So A is equal to 12. Next, find the B value. Now take the formula R2 is equal to delta by S minus B. So what is the R2 value? 12. So 12 is equal to delta value is 96. S value is 24 minus B. Take the cross multiplication. 12 into 24 minus B is equal to 96. 12 table in 96, 12 ones are 12 eights are. So 24 minus B is equal to 8. So 24 minus 8 is equal to B. 24 minus 8, 24 minus 8, 14, 6, 1. So B is equal to 60. Okay. Next, for C value, R3 is equal to delta by S minus C. So what is the R3 value? 24. Delta value is 96. S value is 24 minus C. Cross multiplication. 24 into 24 minus C is equal to 96. 24 fours are 96. So 24 minus C is equal to 4. 24 minus 4 is equal to C. 20 is equal to C. So A value is 12 and B value is 16 and C value is 20. See here, formulas are very important. So what is the first formula? 1 by R is equal to 1 by R is equal to. So R1, R2, R3 values are given. Now you have to take the formula. 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Okay. Next step. Delta is equal to square root of R into R1 into R2 into R3. Next, R small r formula is delta by S. R1 is equal to delta by S minus A. R2 is equal to delta by S minus B. R3 is equal to delta by S minus C. Okay. If you like the video, like and share and subscribe.